Friends, just working on this guy a little bit more. So, oh, sorry. Well, dot and excellent. What's up? Okay, so, I really had no idea where this was going. And this is a continuation of yesterday. Sometimes I like just taking a second and looking at it and just seeing what's gonna kind of come off of it. So I have a way better idea of what I want off of this today than I had yesterday. So I'm actually kind of excited for doing this right now because I know what I want. Get off. Need more blue. So I'm going to cover up this this line that we did the other day with that texturing tool. I like the effect, but with kind of what we ended up doing instead, kind of seems like it's almost doesn't fit. So I like that. There's bigger, bolder swaths of color. Now we're going to make it look like it's got some inner light with that other color here. And I'm going to be taking an aqua green and just kind of different parts we're going to pull that green across. Want some of these to blend a little bit better. Okay. So now that that's done, let's take a little bit more. And next up, I'm going to clean off this bad boy and we're going to outline this. Take this black to the edge and pull it down on the cross. Hate these gunks. Paint boogers. They get up on your... I don't like it. So let's start on this guy first. Get him up to the edge. Man, painting with a knife is way weird. Then we're going to put some of that vermilion over the top of that. Kind of like we did this over here. Huh, sorry. Oh, goodness me. All right, and lastly but not leastly, yeah, let me see, I'm just trying to see it through the viewfinder. Because you know what's funny, sometimes when I look through the viewfinder, I see a completely different set of stuff that Alright, then once this dries, I think I'm going to mask this area off right here, and then this is going to be like a bit of this vermilion blended in with a pink vermilion, and then kind of do like a bold white stroke over maybe like right here-ish. I don't know. We'll see how it comes out. I'm going to look at this probably for the next day or so and then be like, you know what? I think I should do this. My wife just came home. Okay. All right, that's it for the now. I was just telling the people on YouTube right now that you just got home.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah.
Hi, YouTubers!
And you know what? I can think of no better way to end this recording than that. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. You're the best. Would you like this and maybe even subscribe if you're not one of my normal watchers?
All right, appreciate you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.